Greetings, Fiscal Mind followers. Today, we uncover the chilling truth behind Google's decision to abandon a prime office space in San Francisco. This is not just a story about one company, it's a harbinger of a much larger crisis that threatens the very fabric of Silicon Valley. Google, a tech giant synonymous with innovation and stability, has announced it will not renew the lease on its 300,000 square foot office at One Market Plaza, located at the heart of downtown San Francisco. This isn't just any office. It's a flagship location, a symbol of their strong presence in the city. So why is Google fleeing? The most obvious reason is the aftermath of the pandemic. Remote work has become the norm, and many tech workers have chosen to stay home. Google, like many other companies, has embraced a hybrid workforce, reducing the need for vast office spaces. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The deeper, more terrifying reason lies in the city's deteriorating conditions. San Francisco has become a hotbed of crime and homelessness, driving businesses and residents away. Retail theft is rampant and the city's streets are filled with chaos. The local government has failed to address these issues, creating a toxic environment for companies like Google. But there's more. San Francisco's exorbitant cost of living and doing business is another nail in the coffin. High taxes, stringent regulations, and astronomical real estate prices make it increasingly difficult for companies to justify their presence in the city. Google's departure is a stark indicator that even the biggest players can no longer endure these conditions. The ripple effect of Google's exit will be devastating. As more companies follow suit, we'll see a mass exodus from San Francisco, leading to plummeting property values and a collapsing local economy. The city, once a beacon of technological advancement, is on the brink of becoming a ghost town. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the unseen factors at play in this exodus. Welcome back, Fiscal Mind viewers. Today we peel back the layers of Google's shocking decision to vacate 300,000 square feet of prime office space in San Francisco. What lurks beneath the surface is more terrifying than you can imagine. First, let's talk about the unseen economic pressures. Interest rates have soared, making borrowing more expensive and cutting into the budgets of even the wealthiest corporations. Google, an advertising powerhouse, is feeling the pinch. Ad revenues are down as companies slash marketing budgets, and this financial strain is forcing Google to consolidate and cut costs wherever possible. Then there's the issue of public relations. San Francisco's once glittering reputation is tarnished by skyrocketing crime rates and homelessness. The city's inability to provide a safe and clean environment is driving businesses away. Google's exit is not just a business decision, it's a powerful statement about the city's failing governance. Moreover, let's not forget about the tech industry's internal struggles. The sector has seen massive layoffs, and Google is no exception. Downsizing office space is a strategic move to align with their reduced workforce. But this is only part of the story. The unseen factor that could be the most alarming is the possibility of a tech bubble burst. The industry's over-reliance on cheap money and speculative investments is coming to a head. If major players like Google are retreating from flagship locations, what does this say about the stability of the tech sector as a whole? The consequences of this retreat are far-reaching. As Google pulls out, the value of commercial real estate in San Francisco will plummet. Landlords will struggle to find new tenants, leading to a cascade of financial troubles that could decimate the local economy. We're witnessing the beginning of a catastrophic decline. But what does this mean for the future of Silicon Valley? Let's explore this in our final segment. Welcome to the final part of today's disturbing revelation. Google's departure from San Francisco raises a grim question. Is this the end of Silicon Valley as we know it? Silicon Valley has long been the epicenter of innovation, but the landscape is changing rapidly. Google's exit is a glaring sign that even tech giants are not immune to the harsh realities of today's economic climate. What once was a thriving hub is now facing an existential crisis. The exodus of major companies like Google is just the beginning. As the cost of living and doing business in Silicon Valley continues to rise, more companies will seek refuge in more affordable and business-friendly locations. We are already seeing a migration to cities like Austin, Denver, and even Miami, where the regulatory environment is less burdensome and the cost of living is significantly lower. But the implications go beyond just geographical shifts. The departure of key players could trigger a domino effect, leading to a brain drain. The talent that once flocked to Silicon Valley may start seeking opportunities elsewhere, further eroding the area's competitive edge. Moreover, the collapse of commercial real estate values could have a devastating impact on the local economy. As landlords struggle to fill vacant spaces, the ripple effects will be felt across various sectors, from retail to hospitality. San Francisco could become a cautionary tale of what happens when a city fails to adapt to changing economic conditions. In conclusion, Google's decision to vacate its San Francisco office space is not just a company's strategic move. It's a harbinger of a much larger crisis that threatens the very essence of Silicon Valley. The tech hub we once knew is at risk of becoming a relic of the past, replaced by a new, decentralized landscape of innovation. Thank you for joining us today on Fiscal Mind. If you found this information as alarming as we did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below and stay tuned for more in-depth analysis on the financial issues that matter to you. Until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.